How to choose the right mesothelioma law firm for your case. Facing a mesothelioma diagnosis is overwhelming, and finding the right mesothelioma law firm to represent your case can be just as daunting. With so many legal options available, it's crucial to select a firm that specializes in asbestos exposure cases and understands the complexities of mesothelioma litigation. The right law firm can help secure the compensation you deserve to cover medical costs and provide peace of mind during a difficult time. In this guide, we'll explore how to choose the best legal representation for your case and ensure you receive reliable mesothelioma legal advice. Experience matters in mesothelioma cases. Not all law firms are equipped to handle mesothelioma cases, which can be complex due to the long latency period between asbestos exposure and the onset of the disease. A qualified mesothelioma law firm should have extensive experience in asbestos litigation. Ask potential law firms about their track record with similar cases, including how many mesothelioma victims they have represented and the outcomes of those cases. An experienced law firm will also have connections with the top medical experts, who can provide crucial testimony in your case. They'll know how to investigate past asbestos exposure, whether it occurred in the workplace, military, or through other means, to build a strong claim on your behalf. National reach, with local understanding. While it's important to find a firm that understands local laws and procedures, the best mesothelioma law firms often operate on a national scale. National firms have access to more resources and experience working with clients across the U.S., making them a good option for mesothelioma victims anywhere in the country. For example, if you live in a specific region of the country that has historically had industries known for asbestos exposure, such as shipyards, construction sites, or automotive factories, you'll want a firm that understands the local context of your case. Firms that have handled asbestos exposure cases in these areas will be more familiar with the nuances of your situation. In colder northern regions, for instance, industries often used asbestos for insulation, while in the South it was more common in shipbuilding. Compassion and personalized mesothelioma legal advice. When choosing a mesothelioma law firm, it's important to work with attorneys who not only understand the law, but also have compassion for what you and your family are going through. Dealing with mesothelioma is an emotional and stressful time, and having a supportive legal team can make a huge difference. Look for firms that offer personalized attention to their clients and who will take the time to explain every step of the legal process clearly. A top-quality mesothelioma law firm should provide you with mesothelioma legal advice tailored to your specific case. They should be able to answer questions like, how strong is my case? What compensation can I expect to receive? How long will the process take? The right firm will also offer free consultations, so you can get a sense of their approach before committing. Understanding costs and payment structure. Most mesothelioma law firms work on a contingency fee basis, meaning they only get paid if they win your case. This arrangement is crucial for victims and their families, as mesothelioma treatment can be incredibly expensive. Before signing any agreement, make sure you understand the firm's fee structure and how much they will take from any settlement or verdict. Additionally, ask if the firm will cover upfront expenses such as filing fees, expert witness costs, and travel. Some firms may require you to cover certain costs up front, while others will deduct them from your final compensation. The importance of client testimonials and reviews. One of the best ways to evaluate a mesothelioma law firm is to hear what past clients have to say. Check online reviews and testimonials to see how other mesothelioma victims and their families rate the firm's services. Were they satisfied with the communication, the handling of the case, and the final outcome? Client stories can give you a better understanding of what to expect. If possible, speak directly with former clients about their experience with the law firm. This can give you an insider's perspective on how the firm operates and whether they truly specialize in mesothelioma cases. National or local firms, which is better? While there are excellent local law firms that handle asbestos cases, many of the most successful mesothelioma law firms work nationwide. A national law firm will have the advantage of greater resources, larger legal teams, and more experience with high-stakes cases. If you live in a smaller town or state without many options, a national firm with a history of successfully representing mesothelioma victims across the country may be the best choice. For example, Residents of industrial areas like Pittsburgh or Detroit, where asbestos was used heavily in manufacturing, or regions like the Pacific Northwest, known for its shipyards, might benefit from a national law firm with deep experience in these sectors. Final thoughts. Choosing the right mesothelioma law firm can greatly impact the success of your case and the compensation you receive. You need a law firm with proven experience, compassionate attorneys, and a deep understanding of mesothelioma legal advice. National firms with local expertise like Mesothelioma Law Center can offer victims and their families the best combination of resources, experience, and personal attention. If you or someone you love has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, don't wait to seek legal help. Contact Mesothelioma Law Center today for a free consultation to discuss your case and explore your legal options.